Hey, so if Audacity is not detecting your input device, yeah, like your microphone doesn't show up, or it says no recording device available, that can be really frustrating. In this complete guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, make sure your microphone is properly connected. I mean, USB or jack issues are often the simplest cause. Next, yeah, go to Audacity and select the correct input device from the drop-down menu. Now, check Windows settings. I mean, your microphone might be disabled at the system level. Yeah, try changing the audio host in Audacity. Switching between MME and Windows WASAP I can help detect devices. Now, restart Audacity completely. I mean, sometimes devices don't load properly until you reopen the app. Yeah, open Device Manager and make sure your microphone is detected by Windows. Now, outdated drivers can stop input devices from showing up. Updating them can fix detection issues. Yeah, Windows has a built-in troubleshooter that can automatically fix microphone problems. If nothing works, reinstall Audacity. This resets device detection and fixes corrupted configuration files. So yeah, that's how you fix Audacity not detecting input device. Most of the time it's permissions, connection issues, or driver problems. Try these steps and your microphone should appear again. Thanks for watching.